Okay guys, so tapos na natin. We we already dropped the kids sa ating parentals and now it's time to go to the office and shift sa working normal. Ganun lang siya guys. So, kanina wala tayong voice over tong uban na to clip sa ganang morning kaya wala ta sa mood magka ng chika-chika. So, I will be uploading the video sa YouTube and I will be posting it there raw. It's the first time that I'm gonna post a video na raw unedited. Technically, ma-edit siya light lang naman, light lang na editing, no, kaya ka ng I have to put some kaya mag voice over man ta sa uban clips dito, diba? Boring sad kayo, wala siya yung voice over. So I'm so excited because after how many, I think 5 years, after 5 years this will be the first video that I'll be posting about myself, my life, no, the things that I've been doing after 5 years. So, i-revive na ako ang YouTube page because I have a new toy. I have a new toy. Okay, this one. Ayan, no. So, it's not a toy actually. It's ano siya, it's something that I can use. I'm so excited kasi I have no reason na. Wala ko yung reason nga nung dili ko mag-film, dili ko mag-vlog. I saw a video ni Paz ako ang Facebook page about content creation nga we have to do it. It's just how it is na karon. You in sales, you have to do it. You have to go out because people around the world, and even your neighbors, they do not know what you're doing. That if you're selling something, they don't know what it is because wala man mo gipang storya sa ilaha that mo din mo negosyo ana kani. So paano ka mahalinan? Paano ka nga na mo palit or paano na mo join kung wala nimo gipantami sa ilaha? So here it is. And one of the easiest way and the fastest way that you can expedite that is through content creation, through the use of social media. So here it is guys, I'm so excited. So muna siya, sabi ko nga, this is a raw, unfiltered, so this is what we're gonna do, no? So basically this video is like a day in my life, ganon. So kana muna siya guys nga kailangan natin tong gawin, no? I would be honest. By the way, pasensyain ninyo, wala pa kita naka-makeup, naka-lipstick and everything. So I guess this clip is gonna be my video. Ako i-upload sa YouTube, it's gonna be quite long. Kaya taas-taas siya. So I hope you will watch it. I hope there will be people watching it. And actually, naka-post day ko mga a year ago or 2 years ago o ganang video dito, but that video ako siyang gi-upload for my classmates to see the play that we had during high school. So basically that video was like almost 25 years ago na nga video nga naka VHS pa siya, gipa restore nato siya, no, digitally restore, but not as gid kay restoration, but yeah, it's nice, no, makareminisce ka sa happening mo sa high school. So going back, so yeah, supportahin niyo akong video guys ha, because this is the very first video akong i-post balik sa YouTube. So story time, mga ano ba, kanang lately gyud kaayo sa kanan, I have been very anxious. And nakarelate ko ba kaya I have a friend she's now living in the United States. She's got 4 kids, and kanang she got divorced 2 years ago. So this was what she posted, nga kanang ako lang katong a phrase that she wrote that really struck me, na nakarelate jud kay ko. So friend, if you're watching this, kabalo ka kay ikaw ni. So she said nga kanang she was, after her divorce, she's got 4 kids, no work. She wanted to go back to the Philippines. She was anxious and she didn't know what to do. Even showing up was already something very big sa iya. Tungod kay anxious kay siya. And muna siya naka-feel karon guys, nga kanang nalamon gani kay ko sa mga challenges nga anxious kaayo gid kay ko sa nga tanan, na dili kayo ka well rested when you sleep, and then when you wake up murag ka ng showing up is really something very big. And I have to wake up, I have to show up kasi na ako'y kids nga kailangan i-take care. Gani anxiousness, gani nga feeling nga kanang kasukaon kay ka tungod kay anxious kay ka, nga yung feeling nga anxiousness nga murag kasukaon kay ka nga, you just wanna vomit it, and maybe when you vomit it mawala ang anxiousness. Naka sa stage mo life nga all you that kanang when I'm alone, even when my kids are just at the back playing, magsinger akong stories, Lord. Pero yeah, we need to show up. And kanino ba tayo hihingi ng tulong when we're anxious? Kasi anxious na feeling, guys, it's negative. It's not from the Lord. It's something the enemy feeds you so that you get defeated, so that you surrender to your problems. And wala. And then the enemy is happy because surrender na ka. You didn't fight. You allowed your problems to consume you. And then I remind myself na, Lord, hindi mo akong itabangan ma-overcome ang problem sa una. All of them. Hindi mo akong itabangan na masulbatanan each one of them. When I had my firstborn, I had an emergency CS. Malaki yung bill. Sino nag-provide? Si Lord. When I had my secondborn, He used people para padugang sa pambayad sa kanang bill. Kasi CS gihapon ko. My eldest got hospitalized. So I only had a few peso, 1,000. Pilar, so sa kong wallet, Akong partner, he only had, I think, mga 5,000 sa to na sa iyang wallet. Ingon siya at that time. We brought our son to a private hospital. He was hospitalized for a few days. And the bill was 40,000 plus. Si Lord na provide. He gave me that peace. Let's go worry ato. Let's ginabangan mo ko ni Lord sa una. Yeah, faithful man siya. Constant man siya. Anak mo ko ni Lord. Anak mo ko ni mo, Lord. So if you help me get through with this before, you will help me get through with this now. So muna siya, guys. I'm almost there sa office. I'll get back to you. Okay?